Everyone, in this video we're gonna read Winnie the Witch's birthday. Now let's move on to the video. When Winnie the Witch turned over the page on her calendar, she saw a big red circle around Friday the 13th. "That's my birthday," she said. I have a party this year." "What kind of party?" Winnie wrote out the invitations and sent them by Winnie email. She invited Auntie Alice, Uncle Owen, her three sisters Wanda, Wilma, Wendy, all of her friends, and cousin Cuthbert. On Tuesday, she made herself a party dress and matching bow for Wilbur. "Purr," said Wilbur. "I look lovely," he thought. On Wednesday, Winnie made lots of food. The garden was ready for the party. "That was easy," she said. "Now what else? Oh yes, I need a surprise." A good party always has a surprise. I have to think about that. Friday 30th was a lovely sunny day, which was lucky. At 2 o'clock, Winnie guests arrived. "Happy birthday, Winnie," they shouted, and they piled up the presents on the lawn. Wanda, Wilma, and Wendy gave Winnie a magic carpet. She'd always wanted one of those. Uncle Owen gave her a batten cage. She'd never wanted one of those. Auntie Alice gave her a book of special spells, and there was a magic trumpet from cousin Cuthbert. "Play some games," Winnie said. First they played musical broomsticks. That was fun, but there was a lot of pushing. Uncle Owen pushed Auntie Alice into prickle bush. Ouch! Cousin Cuthbert bounced off a broomstick and landed in the fountain, so they let him win. "Now we'll have a treasure hunt," said Winnie. Everybody disappeared when Winnie was surprised. Winnie looked in the maze, nobody. She looked in the bat cave, nothing. She looked in the bouncy castle, nobody. "Glittering broomsticks," Winnie said. "Who will eat all my lovely food?" Then Winnie saw a label on the trumpet. Important. To make people disappear, toot the 3 times to make them come back. Stand on your head and toot that 3 times. So Winnie stood on her head and toot, toot, toot. She tootled. They came back feeling hungry. They ate up all the food. "And now it's time for the surprise," said Winnie. She opened her new book of special spells. "Shut your eyes and think about your favorite cake," she said. Everyone shut their eyes. Auntie Alice thought about chocolate cake. Uncle Owen thought about fruit cake. Cousin Cuthbert thought about a rainbow cake. Wilbur thought about cheesecake. He loved cheesecake. Then Winnie the Witch shut her eyes and turned around 3 times, stamped her foot, waved her wand, and shouted. And that was the biggest birthday cake in the whole world, with candles on the top. There was a layer of chocolate cake, a layer of fruit cake, a layer of rainbow cake, a layer of cheesecake. There was strawberry shortcake, ginger sponge cake, orange cake, Black Forest cake. How will you blow out the candles? Asked Cousin Cuthbert. That's easy, Winnie said. And she rolled her magic carpet to the top of the cake. Puff, puff, puff. Ha ha ha, laughed Winnie. This party is such fun, Wilbur. I'm very lucky rich. Wilbur didn't say anything. His mouth was full of cheesecake. Hope you enjoyed the story. If you did, leave it on the comments. Now, thanks for watching this video. See you again in the next video. Bye.